Hi guys, so today we are bringing the flavors of the Sunshine State to your kitchen with a Goan style pan fried chicken recipe that's sure to tantalize your taste buds. Goan cuisine is a beautiful blend of Portuguese and Indian flavors, and this dish is a perfect example. We'll be using a spicy and tangy marinade to coat our chicken before pan frying to golden brown perfection. Get ready for an explosion of flavors. This recipe is all about bold flavors, a little bit of spice, and that irresistible crispy texture. I'll guide you through every step from preparing the marinade to achieving that perfect pan fry. So now let's begin with this recipe. So first, to make the masala paste, take a mixer jar, add 1 cup coriander leaves, add 2-inch ginger roughly cut, 8 garlic cloves, 1 green chili, 4 Kashmiri dry red chilies, 35 to 40 curry leaves, 2 cm round tamarind, 1 inch cinnamon stick, 5 cloves, 1 teaspoon black peppercorns, 2 teaspoon cumin seeds, 1 tablespoon lemon juice, 2 tablespoon cooking oil, half teaspoon turmeric powder, 1/4 cup water, and then blend it to a smooth paste. So the masala paste is ready. Make sure it is something like this. Then leave this aside to use it later. Then take 1 kg chicken, add some salt to taste, add 1 stock cube, then add the masala paste which was previously made, and then give it a nice mix and marinate it for about 1 hour. Then in a hot pan add oil and then simply fry the marinated chicken. Fry it until it is nice and golden brown. Make sure the flame is on medium to low. Fry it for about 9 to 10 minutes on each side. Then simply remove the chicken once ready. As you can see that the chicken is perfectly cooked. So the Goan style pan fried chicken is ready. Then garnish it with some sliced onion and coriander leaves. And there you have it guys, a delicious fiery Goan style pan fried chicken. I hope you enjoyed this taste of Goa. Don't forget to let me know in the comments how your chicken turned out. And please do like, subscribe and hit that notification bell for more flavorful recipes. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.